Welcome back to my channel. My name is Blair if you're new here, and this is going to be a very short video, but I thought I'd take you along while I reorganize the freezer. The fridge gets cleaned out on a regular basis when I buy groceries, but for some reason the freezer kind of gets stashed with stuff, and I need to get it reorganized so it's more functional for me. So I thought I would just show you and take you along. Like I said, this may be very short, but hopefully you enjoy. All right, like I said, very short and sweet and to the point. I'm gonna show you and kind of explain how I set this up. All right, so up here, I got my ice cream bars, just easy access, and I know how many I got. And then in this cubby, for right now, I have what's left of my breakfast burritos, some chicken sausage I need to eat, and some frozen pineapple chunks. This usually will house my pre-made breakfast sandwiches, which I will be making next week. And then down here, when I went to Costco and bought all those bagels, I just froze them in bags of 2, and then I can take them out as I need them. Down here is just like ice packs and stuff. And then in this drawer, I have the things I don't reach for all the time. So I got like my popcorn chicken that I like to keep on hand, individually wrapped chicken breasts, and turkey meatballs. Back here, some brown and stir sausage. The only reason I had those was because my brother was in town. He didn't eat them all, and I don't want to waste them, so I'm just gonna put them down here for now. This is more my meat shelf. So in here, I have like ground turkey. There's a random burger patty, a little bit of ground beef, and in this house is like all my chicken sausages. And then I have 2 packs of those chicken tenders I had gotten at Costco. I had put them on the top shelf to freeze them flat so I could stand them up in here and keep all the chicken together. In here I've got like my frozen veggies, and then this has some like tater tots and french fries. Like I said, very random side items, but I'll keep those here. And then up here I have ice cream for a specific meal, but this way this shelf is open again. And then of course you got the ice maker. So that's all. Just to keep that freezer door shut because it is starting to get warm in there. This is where I'm gonna end this off. Like I said, it was a very short, sweet, to the point video. I just spent a few minutes and reorganized the freezer back to my normal function that I prefer. I will say bins definitely help in this style freezer. I really wish I had more of like the drawer or, you know, the more horizontal freezer fridge situation. Hopefully I'll get one in the near future, but for right now, this is what I got, and I make do with it and make it work. But I do hope you enjoyed, and I hope you have a blessed day.